Subdivision 15 of exercise 2.5 is that they have given an expression for area which is 25. I mean, there are three subdivision, out of which the first says that they have given an area which is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So what we are supposed to do is, what are possible expressions for length and breadth. Suppose you know that area of a rectangle can be written as a product of length and breadth. Suppose if you could write this as a product of two expressions, then those two expressions are representing the sides length and breadth. So I don't want to dive so much deep into it because we have solved so many problems out of it. So we just basically have to factorize it. When you factorize it, you will be writing as a product of factors, right? So what we need to do, 25a square and minus 35a is there. So we need to break this down. You know, actually plus 35 is actually plus 20 plus 15. Minus 35 is actually minus 20 minus 15. And minus 35a is actually minus 20a minus 15a. So in this case, this minus 35a could be written as minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. And here we just need to break this down and take some things in common, so we'll have to do it. So 25, so I'm going to write the product as, see, 5 into 5, I'm going to write it as 5.5. This 25 can be written as 5 into 5. This a square can be written as a into a minus 20. So here 5 is there, so this can be written as 4 into 5, 20 into a minus 15 can be written as 3 into 5, and the other way of writing this 15 is, okay fine, I will do like that, 3 into 5 into a plus this 12 can be written as 3 into 4. So what are two possible things? So one is that in this 5a common, so the remaining is, so if you take 5a common out here, then 1 5 and 1a extra will be here, 5a, and this 4 is remaining. So 5a minus 4 minus this 3 into 5 into a, right? The common thing here is this 3 is common to both. If you take minus, then this plus becomes minus. Only then minus into minus becomes plus. So if you take 3 common, the remaining here is 5a. So 5a, then this plus becomes minus, because only then minus into minus becomes plus, and then 4. So then the next step is going to be like this 5a common to both of these expressions, in these whole expressions, this 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4. So 5a minus 4. If you take this 5a remaining here minus this 3 remaining here. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12 can be written as the product of 5a minus 4 into and 5a minus 3. Then these are two possible expressions for length and breadth. Either this could be length and that could be breadth, and this could be breadth, that could be length.